Good morning, Year 1. Welcome to our Friday Golden Awards Assembly from school. Say good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Right, again, this week we have chosen children who have super duper impressed us in Pelican Class and Little Grebes. So we're going to start by finding out who has won the award in Little Grebes.
Okay, so for at home, I have chosen Romy to win the award today because she has tried so hard with her fantastic attitude, her effort, with all of her home learning. I've seen lots of pictures, so well done, Romy. You have worked so hard at home, so keep up the super work.
We give her a clap. Okay, for home learning this week, Mrs. McManus and I have chosen Jasper for completing a humongous range of home learning activities, including making a cake. And you know how much I love seeing cakes and all the delicious things that you can make at home, but also doing all of his English work, maths. He's even written a book this week. Amazing work with lots of enthusiasm. So well done to Jasper. Can we give Jasper a clap?
Okay, the next person from Little Grebes I've chosen for their in-school learning, and the person I've chosen today is Seb, because Seb did some fantastic labelling at school on Tuesday with me. He tried really hard to sound out the words and did beautiful labels, but also Seb just has a fantastic attitude to his learning. He's engaged both at home and at school, so well done, Seb.
I also chose somebody for school learning this week. This is somebody who impressed not just myself but Miss Nee as well. I chose Harley because Harley has been trying super hard with his writing, really concentrating on his letter formation this week, and he's tried hard with every single piece of writing that he has done. So well done, Harley. Let's give Harley a big clap. Okay, right, so it is Friday. I hope you've been busy learning all this week. We look forward to seeing you next week again in our Zoom meetings. Have a lovely, safe and restful weekend, Year 1. Goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.